seemed like a nice guy.
Look at, can you look straight down there, see?
You can see the bike trail.
Yeah, you've ridden on that bike trail.
I mean, I've been very careful.
And look down there.
Yeah.
And did you take the garbage out last night?
Already did that. I think I should film the new streetcars on the TTC in Toronto this year. What do you think? You know, at Spadina Station. And I could film the front. What do you think? With the operator in it. And then do a wave. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea.
Say, oh, thank you very much, Mr. Streetcar Operator. See you real soon.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh, I should film this. No.
Remember, people, you can't take pictures of other people
Without permission.
without permission.
Now I'm just filming 109th Street. Yeah, I've taken my bike up these stairs here.
Yeah, where do they lead to?
Saskatchewan Drive.
See how tall that tower was back there?
That's a Stantec Tower.
My next project's
Have you been to the Ice District? Have you heard of the Ice District?
I live here. I go to Oilers.
Yeah. I'm actually going to film the 66-story building once that construction's completed. Oh, I love filming elevators, man. I'm a YouTube enthusiast. They don't make tunnels like this anymore. The French is coming up
When is it coming up?
in a week. This streetcar is owned, operated, and maintained by volunteer members of the Edmonton Radical Railway Society. Melbourne, Australian 930 streetcar. This is a 1947 Melbourne, Australia streetcar.
run of the day, so I'll open up either side of the doors. You can leave by that side or this side, doesn't matter. I'd like to thank you for joining us. We love running these streetcars, but it's always so much more fun when we have people on board. So thank you for joining us and for your support.
Hey, thanks, bud.
Hold on.
All cars stop here.
All cars stop here, except this one. We keep going. By the way, in November, we plan on extending the tracks all the way down to those washrooms that are,
You mean to Wide Avenue?
yes, to White Owl. It's all in theory right now. But
Got your jacket,
Brian, Brian.
thank you.
The ramp's not.
Oh, look at what he's right there.
Good. You're welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Hey, I gotta say, this streetcar's quite an old school classic. I gotta take a picture. But I want to take a picture of this. There it goes, and that's it.